Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a professional looking logo. It's pretty bad, I gotta be honest with you. But this one, I'm actually gonna make it look good and professional, not just a simple, basic, ugly logo that you'll see like on some 5-year-old's YouTube channel or something. So, with that said and done, let's get right into the video. Oh yeah, sorry for my vert in advance. She's being a little rowdy today, so just ignore her, please. So, start off with the YouTube profile. I'm guessing you might not be doing YouTube, but you could just, it's a higher quality than just a 500 by 500 standard logo, so just use it anyways. And go for a transparent background. And if you couldn't already guess, we're using Photopea as our thing instead of Photoshop. So then name it whatever you want, then hit create. So once you've gotten this, for me, I'm doing like a watered style gaming logo. So first I'm gonna put a text down. I like to use black Han Sans, I don't know how to say that. And I'll just put the word gaming, size it up. Might be a little big, but that'll do. Then we're gonna find a controller icon because I can't think of any other type of icon. Else icon. I don't know what to say it. Okay, I already have one saved from like attempting this video in the past, so I'm just gonna open up the file. Now that we got this in here, if it doesn't have a transparent background like this, then simply just go to the magic wand right here. If you hover over it, you'll see it says magic wand, or you could just hit W. I'll switch to it. My tolerance I like to put it as 99, so it gets everything, doesn't leave any white residue on the outside. Then I'll clean this up and go to that little box, right click, hit deselect. Then I'll just put it to the appropriate size first. And I'll just, real quick, I'll select the middle so we can put new buttons there in the future. So it would just be transparent. I'm gonna hit shift to select multiple things that aren't connected. And just click. Then just bring out your eraser tool and erase it. So it looks a little grainy, but we'll ignore that for right now. So we'll go to color overlay by hitting this EFF, or the FX would be if you're in Photoshop. We'll go to, like I said, color overlay. Right in this area, you'll find it. Make sure it's selected on color overlay. Pick the color you want, which is black for right now. We'll change that a little later after we have all the pieces in here. So this is pretty much the basic layout. Now we just gotta add all the effects and different things you can add. So it's select your text down here. It doesn't have to be gaming. I'm picking a kind of aqua blue looking color. Go over here to color overlay by hitting EFF and clicking color overlay while selected onto the controller. Clicking this right there, then choosing the certain color. Trying to still keep it lined up. And next step I'm going to do is click on this pen, right click on this brush, and go to, never mind, take that back. Click on the pen like I originally said. Go to curvature pen. Then select and just kind of go in a jagged motion. It'll smooth it out for you. And place it over it to where it will look pretty decent on. Hit clipping mask onto that thing. Right click on the controller, whatever your controller or whatever it would be. Hit rasterize layer style. And move it to where it looks nice, and then change that color in the color overlay to that color, but like the opacity looking slightly lower than what it was, slightly tilting it to give it some sort of better non-straight look. That looks pretty good. Hitting Control V, moving it down, and moving this right here down to right above the word gaming, putting it down there, selecting off, looking at it, move it a little bit. Then I think this is a pretty good start. Then I'm gonna hit Control V right there, move it down a little bit, and I'm gonna go to color overlay, bring it down a little bit to give it that a little nicer look, more layered. Yeah, repeat the process for a little bit. You get what you want. I could smooth it out and give it like a gradient look to it, but I'm not. I might show you real quick how to do that. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to do that. You click on your eraser and you bring your hardness all the way down and pick it to like a decent size, not too big, a little smaller than that. And kind of clicking on these layers, one that's closest. You have to hit rasterize layer on them. Just kind of blend it out if you want. So what you think would look nice. I'll just time lapse this real quick. I think I pretty much did that. See, in my opinion, it doesn't look that good. It looks a little bit more real. Actually, I think I could do something with this. So if I bring one of these layers up, maybe not that layer, one of the higher layers. That is not the layer I wanted to select. Also not the layer I wanted to select. Well, if you do this up on the top, actually, you could actually make this look a little better. I'm not gonna do that. Like that. A little hat on it real quick. And just copy the steps I said to do before. The more a lighter color than there was before. Then just smoothing it out. I'm pretty sure if you do this on like a different style of logo and using less layers and making the actually trying to make it look a little more wavy and less jagged, I think you could make this style look pretty good. It's a little bit of highlight there. It doesn't look that good, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna keep it because I don't have to undo everything. So with that, I'm just gonna do the same thing with this, but I'm not gonna have any highlights. Just gonna keep it as is. Rasterize it. Don't have to say the word. Still, I'm kind of starting to like this style a little bit better, actually. And maybe I'll do a live stream soon of. Oh, I really like that on letters, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna do this a lot more. I might live stream something like this soon. I clean that up. Yeah, that looks pretty good on the letters. You click this one, hit shift, click on the top, then just hit merge layers. Same thing with this. So it's all one thing, not to worry about it. So next, what I would do is hit drop shadow, normal, opacity, maximum angle is 90, distance I would put is 10, and I would size is 0. Click on here, click on this. Where is it? There's a little thingies. Try to match that original color because I can't find it in here for some reason. Once you've closely matched that color, like the bottom the one close to the bottom of the text, I would do that. You see this B value right here? You turn that down to 50%. And I would do the same thing with the other one, the top. But I'd be a little less aggressive with it. Actually, I'd be more aggressive with the coloring, making it darker color. So I'm gonna make the background black. Yep, sticking with that sentence. Or gray, or whatever this thing decides to do. Bringing it down, where right there. Merging down with the actual background. You could add a few more effects, but for my case, it says 25 minutes on the recording. So, unless you want a deeper, more in-depth video than this, I'm gonna stop it here. You put in the comments if you want a more in-depth video than this, or not, because this is like a channel that's like the size of a pea at this point. But anyways, peace.